Welcome to Sarvodaya Group of Education, a leading educational institute of Firozabad. Comprising of leading faculty of respective field, the institute facilitates the education for the students of class 9 to 12 of CBSE and UP board. Not only this, the institution also conducts classes for the foundation courses of exam of CA and CSAT. Even after COVID-19 outbreak, the management of SGE had not stopped the spread of positivity and knowledge using their social profile. The management launched SGE Plus Android app and SGE virtual YouTube channel for live classes and providing proper student guidance of studies using these platforms. Let's hear directly from the students about their review of SGE web platforms.
मैं सर्वोदय प्लस SGE प्लस से मैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेती हूँ। बहुत सारे लोग कह रहे हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस बेकार हैं, बट मेरा रिव्यू ये है कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की वजह से ही महंगाई बढ़ रही है।
To thank all the Sarvodaya group of team members for taking care of the security, because they come up with their own apps, that is SGE Plus. And in that, many facilities are available, like recorded classes are available for the students to make a quick revision, and many assignments, tests, and many things are available. Yes, I agree that many people think that online classes is not beneficial for the students, but in this pandemic times, something is better than nothing. All I can say that download SGE Plus, just go through it. Thank you.
Students are really liking the online education through our app. We have a 4.9 rating on Play Store and our apps has been downloaded above 500 times in last 20 days. We are heading towards a bright future of the students if you are enrolling into the Sarvodaya Group of Education, Firozabad.